Hi guys, Marco here. In this video, I will show you how to run a local AI, a large language model, even if you have a not very powerful machine. Also, how to get it to read information from your local drive using a simple Python script. But without further saying, let's dive in the code.
Hey guys, services like Toll to PDF or RAG chat with Azure AI search, or simply connect to an LLM like OpenAI GPT-4, they exist since now some time. However, they all run on clouds from big providers that charge money for it. And you may want to have instead something that is small, you can run for free, and possibly just on your machine. Small disclaimer, is perfectly safe to feed data to Azure OpenAI. It's written here in this page. But say that you want to save money and you want just to have something smaller, you can do it. What do you need? Docker and Docker desktop installed. Okay? Here we see containers, images. I'm assuming you are familiar with Docker desktop. A new feature still in beta are the models. I downloaded smolLLM 2 from Hugging Face. But in the Docker Hub here, you can have choice. You can download something else if you like. Of course, something heavier even and more powerful. For this demo, this is more than enough. Something important though, after you download the model or after you pulled it, to use a proper word, you need to make sure that in the beta features, this is enabled and this as well. So this is the open port for the container that runs the model. And we will connect to the model using this port like you would do with OLLAMA, okay, from a Python script. We will not code from scratch. You can just head here, find my repository for this demo and clone the code, which of course I just did. And let's get to it. This is the main file. From here we call the service that we just installed using Docker, and we get data from a simulated database. In reality, just a JSON file that I created in the data folder. We load it as a dictionary because this is not the moment to explain about vector databases and so on. If you want something bigger, will be for another demo. But this is enough to say we feed data that fit in the context window, so we don't need retrieval. These data are an ideal collection of dating profiles, of course I just made up, and the LLM will work as a matchmaker, suggesting a partner for the desired profile. This is just to verify that we can call the AI service and that it can read the data that we feed to it. And let's give it a go. I have a choice between 4 profiles. Let's choose one. This is a woman, and here you see all the info for this profile. And let's see if we get an appropriate answer. Potential good matches, person in 20s, etc., 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 whatever. So, indeed, it reads it. And username Mexican25, user who is between the ages of 25 and 40. No, this got it wrong, age is 25. Anyway, we can try it again. Okay, well, this gets a bit better. Anyway, we can see that it can read the data that we feed to it. So, this is a free solution in case you want just to build your own first RAG. Can you run these Docker models, Dockerized models, on a server, on a virtual machine? Absolutely yes. And you can do it really cheaply. I just did using this service, Hetzner. The cheapest machine is less than 4 euros per month and few cents per hour. And just tried it. I installed Docker, I pulled the image, and I got the model to run. We can do another we are in the interactive chat, and we can send another prompt just for the demo purposes. Whatever. I hope you like this video, and I hope it will be useful for you. Any questions, please drop a comment and don't forget to give a like. To the next.